Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. And basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. Firstly, let's get started with the application. You need to open EARFUN Audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and right here we have transparency mode. It calls ambient sound, so to enable, just tap on it. To disable it, swap to ANC or to normal mode. Now, to use gestures, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. A touch area is located at the back side, right here at the top, we have it. So, if you use normal mode, you just press and hold. Firstly, you will swap to ANC, and then press and hold again, and you will swap to transparency mode. And to disable it, also press and hold again. From transparency, you will swap to normal mode. That's it. If you want to customize it, you need to scroll down in the main menu, go to Customize Controls, and as you can see right here we have for the left earbud, press and hold. This one is ANC, you can also add it for the triple press, double press. No, we cannot add it for the double press. Okay, so we have only triple press and hold for the left and right earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!